LVP, one of the most popular products that people are basically talking about, and for many good reasons. So in this case, these planks are like almost 5 feet by about 10 inches or so. And this random colors and everything, they're very nice. Actually, I believe these planks are random sizes as well. But the nice thing about it is this is a 20 mil LVP product. It's waterproof. It's very it has an insulation that doesn't allow it to be basically like noisy, like the old school laminate that you step on them and they're just making a lot of noise and they kind of like feel cheap and I just don't like it. I'm not a big fan of it. Now, one of the things about this product that people like a lot is we were just in the master bedroom. Now we're going into the master bathroom. This is basically it. So in this case, we don't have a tub, but if we had a tub, we could just put it right underneath, and this thing can be basically everywhere. This is like a 2,200 square feet house, and we have it literally in every room. We have it in the kitchen, we have it in the bathroom, we have it in the closets. It's comfortable for you to walk in. It's not as cold as your porcelain or your tiles that would be a little bit harder on your feet. This is very nice product. And the nice thing about it is, they have come so far that the colors, the textures, they're getting better and better, mimicking the wood or mimicking tile and different plank sizes and stuff like that. So if you guys have questions about LVP or tile or hardwood, or just want to know which one is going to be a better fit, a better product for you, and you are deciding between hardwood or engineered hardwood, anything like that, give us a call. We'll be happy to come by, give you a free consultation so we can brainstorm with you about the best product for your house.